Hey folks, let's talk about Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Reviewers have been singing its praises, but it seems like not everyone's jumping for joy, especially when it comes to one crucial aspect, the display. Fast forward to February 3rd, Samsung drops a statement clarifying that the color changes on the display are actually intentional. So, not a bug, folks. And just the day before, Samsung tried to patch things up by offering a solution on their official community forum. But hold up, let's rewind to January 31st. According to Reddit chatter and Samsung Insider Ice Universe, some users noticed that colors on the S24 Ultra looked worse compared to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. We're talking dull notification areas and awful colors on the home screen. Speculation was rife. Was it the anti-reflective Corning Gorilla Glass armor? Nope. Turns out it's just a software hiccup. Samsung's already on it, promising a fix real soon. In the meantime, media playback's unaffected, so binge watching your favorite shows is still a go. Stay tuned for updates on when the fix drops. Despite the hiccups, DxOMark ranks the S24 Ultra's display number 1. But hey, beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? Oh, and by the way, Samsung's got a solution up on their official community forum. Not everyone's thrilled though. A Samsung community manager dropped a line saying, "The Galaxy S24 series display is carefully tuned for a comfortable quality viewing experience." So, yeah, no AOV options for you. Still hang tight, folks. More updates coming your way soon.